to Russia. Family, faith, and the joy of togetherness. In Russia, New Year's Eve is a grand celebration, often considered even more important than Christmas. The festivities begin long before December 31st, as towns and cities come alive with colorful decorations and twinkling lights. Central to the celebration is the yolka, or the New Year's tree, which is adorned with ornaments, tinsel, and sometimes even small gifts. On New Year's Eve, families gather for a festive dinner that features a lavish spread of traditional dishes. The dinner is more than just a meal. It's a time for togetherness, laughter, and storytelling as everyone eagerly anticipates the countdown to midnight. When the clock strikes midnight, fireworks illuminate the sky and joyous cheers erupt as people exchange heartfelt wishes for health, happiness, and prosperity. A beloved figure during these celebrations is Ded Moroz, or Grandfather Frost, who brings gifts to children. Accompanied by his granddaughter, the Snow Maiden, he adds a magical touch to the festivities. The second piece of the Russian portion of our program is Valenki, a traditional Russian folk song that celebrates the warmth and comfort associated with winter, particularly through the imagery of Valenki, which are traditional felt boots worn in cold weather. But first, Sophia Lyford will sing A Spruce Was Born in the Forest, a beloved Russian Christmas carol that tells the story of a young spruce tree growing in the forest, symbolizing hope and new beginnings.